Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the loop start method. To begin, we are going to separate one strand of floss away from our 6, and this can be a pretty long piece because we are going to next fold it in half. We want the ends to meet, and then we're going to have those together and this loop on the end. So once we have this, we are going to go ahead and thread the ends into our needle. I'm using a tapestry needle for this because I'm doing cross stitch, but if you're using an embroidery needle, that's fine as well. So we're going to pull that through. We have these little tails on one end, it's threaded, and then we have the loop on the other side. We're going to insert our needle from the bottom of the work, pull through, but not too fast because we want to make sure that we're keeping this loop on the back side. That is extremely important. So go ahead and make your first stitch, pull slowly, because again, we don't want to pull that loop through, and it's very easy to do. And once you've kind of gotten to this point, flip it, and then you're going to insert your needle through that loop, and that's what's going to secure the stitch. This is a great method if you don't want to have any knots on the back of your work. Like in particular, if you're going to frame your cross stitch in a frame and you need to secure to mat board, you won't have any knots, adding any little bumps to your work. And you can also do this method with embroidery. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to separate away one strand of floss, fold it in half, thread the ends into our needle, and there we go. We got the loop on one side, and then we're going to insert from the bottom. I like to just make a teeny tiny stitch for this one. Insert the needle through the loop on the back side and pull through, and it's secured. Great knotless way to begin your thread. Now this pattern looks like maybe I only want to use one strand, but I have two here, so all I'm going to do is pull one of these strands out of the needle. I'm going to keep the other in the needle, and then I'm just going to wrap this around the hardware at the top to keep it out of the way until I'm ready to use it. And then I'm just going to stitch as normal. Well, that's it. Thanks so much. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all later for more embroidery tips.